How to delete a Gmail account without deleting your entire Google account. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your particular Gmail account without deleting your complete Google account. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to head over and open Gmail and then simply log into your account. Next, you're going to click on your profile here at the top right. Once you do so, you'll be able to see the option of manage your Google account. Click on it and you'll be redirected to Google dashboard. So over here at the left side, you'll be able to see a couple of options. So you're going to click on this one, that is data and privacy. Once you do so, you'll be taken over to data and privacy section. You're going to scroll down over here till you find the option of apps and services. Here, you'll be able to see content saved from Google services, a summary of your services and data. Click on it and then you're going to scroll down. As you scroll down, you'll be able to see numerous services and right here is Gmail. Next, what you're going to do is click on delete a service and then you'll be taken over to another interface where you're going to type in your password for confirmation. Once you type that down, you'll be redirected to an interface of delete a Google service and right here is Gmail. So you're going to head over, click on this pin icon and your Gmail account that has 75 conversations will be deleted. So now let's switch over to mobile version. So if you wish to delete your Gmail account on mobile, what you're going to do is simply open your Gmail application and click on your profile at the top right and then click on manage your Google account. Once you do so, you'll be redirected to an interface like this. You're going to scroll down and then you're going to click on data and privacy right over here. Once you're on data and privacy page, you're going to scroll down till you find the option of apps and services. Click on it. Then you're going to click on delete a service. And then you're going to head over and click on this pin icon right next to Gmail. You'll be able to see your total conversations right over here. And that's it. That is how you can delete a Gmail account without deleting your entire Google account. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.